Hey guys, this is Ready, Set, Go, the game where we're gonna put your DIY skills to the test in today's challenge. So we have a great group of ladies here today. Let's just go down the line. Tell me a little bit about yourself.
I'm Brenna Huckaby. I just got married June 8th, and I'm a Paralympic snowboarder.
Hey, I'm Hunter McGrady. I got married June 16th, 2019. I'm a plus size model.
Hey everyone, my name is Franceska. I also got married in June, just a few June brides here.
Hi everyone, my name is Tran. I just recently got engaged, so I'm not getting married until next July. I'm also a high school English teacher.
What we're gonna be doing is trying to make the best bachelorette bridesmaid bag you can put together. We're going to have you guys decorating the bags. You only have 60 seconds, so I hope you have your strategies ready to go. And when you're stuffing the bags, we're going to have a few like rogue items that might mix you up that your girls definitely would not want to have. And you only have 10 seconds to stuff those bags. Are you guys excited?
We're ready.
That's us, right?
Okay, so we're gonna put a minute on the clock on my cue. Okay, ready, set, go, decorate. Did anyone have a strategy in place?
Oh, we have a strategy.
Okay, tell me a little bit about it if you can.
I don't want to give it away.
Okay, all right.
We found this in the bag though, you know?
Oh, literally, wow, good fun,
Literally
Annie,
in
good
the bag.
Shite. Well, I didn't actually have bridesmaids in my wedding. So
Okay,
this is my first time doing it, and you're not married yet. So we both haven't really made bridesmaids bags.
Yes.
nice. You have 10 seconds left.
That's cute. That's so cute. Like, I don't even...
5, 4, all right, 2, 1, time, pencils down. All right, ladies, your bags are now decorated. They look great, but now it's time for the next step. It's time to stuff your bags. So remember, you're only gonna have 10 seconds, so pick the best items. And then after, you're gonna pitch me on why your bag is the best. So on my count, stuff those bags. Ready, set, go. Go, 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 go. 4, time, hands up, hands up.
Oh, my heart is pounding.
Great work on stuffing those bags, but here's the final part. Each of you are going to have to pitch me on why your bag is the best bachelorette bridesmaid bag. So let's start over here with this team number 1.
So we have a mask because who doesn't love a mask for the night? We have lipstick for the night after because we'll probably lose our lipstick hanging out, right? Yes. Vitamin C, drinking a long night. Toothbrush because everyone forgets a toothbrush. Band-Aid for when one of my girls falls because we know that's gonna happen. Listerine for a cute boy for my single girls. Okay. We have toothpaste for the toothbrush, a bracelet because you can never accessorize too much,
Gorgeous.
a Butterfinger.
All right, moving on to Franceska and Annie. Let's hear about your bag.
Okay, so we went with the something blue theme. We also even had a little bit of time to add a bracelet.
Wow.
We have fruit snacks for the blood sugar. We have tissues for the tears. We have hairspray for the girls. We got Gillette for the girls and the boys. We got face towels, just for a little bit of makeup touch-up, a little bit more accessories.
More blue.
For something blue, and silly putty for stress relief.
We're staying on color, on brand.
Very
Something
nice.
blue.
Wow.
I'm not gonna lie, that was really good.
Darn it!
Do it again.
We are gonna have a winner and we are gonna have a loser, even though you both did great. Today, our winner is Franceska and Annie.
Good, you guys did like a good blue theme.
If you didn't have the blue theme, I would be like rigged. But you
No.
had the blue theme. So
Yeah.
Not
You
bad
guys
for
did
not having
good.
bridesmaids.
I'm a very fair judge.
It's fine.
I don't even love the rice anyway.
So, you guys, congratulations. We have these cute little cookies for you with the something blue ribbon. And then, you know what? A gold star, so you guys don't go away empty-handed. Thank you, ladies, for playing, and congratulations. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe and check back in for more episodes of Ready, Set, Go. And leave in the comments below who you think's bag should have came out on top.